Yo, what up? What up? We back at it with another unboxing. This is Sawaar Vanille Blanc by Khadlaj. Let's get straight into it. It's supposed to be a very, very good vanilla. People are talking about the next best thing. Let's check it out. Khadlaj. All right, that's how the box comes. Vanille Blanc. This is an extrait de parfum, 100 ml. Let's get straight into it. All right, this is it right here. Sawaar, hopefully I'm saying that right. Vanille Blanc. Very beautiful bottle. Very nice bottle. Has the gemstones, the gold, creamy white. Pause. Extrait. This is gonna be my scent of the day. This is a unisex vanilla. What you're getting from this is you're getting vanilla, woody, amber, powdery, balsamic, warm, spicy, musky. All right. So this is unisex. Man and woman can wear this. It says it's an oriental vanilla fragrance for women and men. This is a new fragrance. All right, let's get straight into the notes. Top notes are vanilla, powdered sugar, and apple. That's very nice. It'll be very interesting to see what that powdered sugar smells like. Middle notes are cashmere, amber, white blossom. The bottle is solid too, man. I mean, you crack somebody in the head with this. And base notes are vanilla, sandalwood, and benzoin. All right, let's get a test strip. And we putting this on hand. See the nice diamonds, the nice Cuban zirconians, the nice little stones. They put whatever it is. All right. See what this Audemars are talking about. Okay. That spray's pretty good. Oh yeah, off the rip. You get that vanilla mixed in with some powdered sugar and apple. This is nice. Yeah, you get like that white blossom in there, giving it like kind of a little floral note. This is nice. Let's get it straight to skin. Yeah, it's a nice atomizer, pressurized and everything. Y'all see that juice? Look at that juice. All right, let's let it dry down a little bit. All right, we just went ham. Oh yeah, it's real nice. That vanilla with the powdered sugar. Them apples. That green apple. Yeah, this is nice. I'm gonna do more testing to have a full review for you guys on the longevity, the projection. From what I heard, it projects. Yeah, this is nice. Thank you for watching. Comment, sub, and like.